In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send receipts to QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that will help you keep your financial records organized and up to date. We're going to walk through these steps one by one, so grab your receipts and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Simply go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page on your web browser. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Otherwise, simply enter your login details. It's important to ensure that you're on a secure network, especially if you're accessing financial data, so double check that your connection is secure. Once you've logged in, you'll want to make sure you're in the right version of QuickBooks, which is QuickBooks Online. If you're using the desktop version or any other QuickBooks product, make sure to switch over to QuickBooks Online for this process. From here, you'll need to input your QuickBooks credentials. Carefully type in your username and password to avoid any login issues, and then hit continue. Now that you're in, we'll head over to the transcription tab. This is where you can manage your receipts. If you're having trouble finding it, use the search bar within QuickBooks or check your menus to navigate to it. Once you're in the tab, look for the receipts option. This section is specifically designed for handling any receipt uploads or transactions. After clicking on receipts, you'll see an option to upload receipts. This is the moment we've been waiting for. You'll likely spot a button labeled something along the lines of upload receipts or upload files. Go ahead and click it. A file browser will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. You'll want to browse your files now to find the receipts you intend to upload. If you've been storing your receipts in a designated folder, this part will be a breeze. Simply navigate to that folder and you'll see all your receipts ready to go. Otherwise, take a moment to locate the files on your computer. Once you've located your receipt files, click on the Select Files button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it's hard to miss. This will trigger the uploading process. You can select multiple files at once by holding down the Control key as you click each file if you're working on a PC, or the Command key if you're on a Mac. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded your receipts to QuickBooks Online. This efficient system ensures that all your financial transactions are easily accessible and organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep those receipts in order and see you in the next video.